Hello, are you a VAT registered business who has to file your VAT returns on a quarterly, monthly or annual basis? If so, this video is very important to you because there's some significant changes to the way that you are going to file your VAT returns. So in this video, we're going to be looking at it straight away and we're going to make sure that you stay compliant with VAT. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I'm a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer, as you can see up there. That QuickBooks Chap on the internet, as you can see up there and here, and also head of account here at Boffix. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about VAT and the big changes that are coming. Now, these changes have actually been live for a number of years now, but we now have a deadline to when there's no going back. We can't do things we used to be doing with VAT. We have to be going the new way. It's all around a phrase called making tax digital. And if you think about it, making tax digital does everything it says on the tin. It's making your VAT return digital. So let's go and see exactly what I mean and find out what it is that you shouldn't be doing. Okay then everybody, so the first thing is if you file your VAT return looking like a screen just like this in front of me, then unfortunately you have a big problem. Because the way this is filing it is that you're in your business tax account, you go to your view return deadlines and normally press submit return, you fill in the boxes and normally that's all you need to do. Unfortunately, you are not able to now submit your return using this method. There is a how to submit your return done here, effectively telling you you need to find software. So let's look at this in a little bit more detail. This was a piece of news that came out from QuickBooks Online. I'm going to see how QuickBooks submits their returns in a moment. From the 1st of November, you will no longer be able to submit VAT returns through the HMRC online portal, aka this screen just here, or this screen just here. HMRC has announced that it will no longer be able to use the existing VAT online account to file for quarterly and monthly VAT returns. The current HMRC portal is closing on the 1st of November 2022. After this date, all VAT returns will need to be filed through digital compatible software to stay compliant and avoid potential penalties in the future. Please note if you file VAT returns annually, you'll still be able to use the VAT online account until the 15th of May 2023, but let's be honest, you want to be getting done sooner rather than later. Why is HMRC closing the existing online portal? The closure of the online portal is a key milestone in HM's transition to making tax digital, MTD. HMRC will no longer be accepting manual input or dates into the online portal, meaning all VAT returns will need to be filed through MTD compatible software. What does this mean for you? VAT registered business need to be signed up for making tax digital MTD compatible software to submit VAT returns and maintain digital records. The good news is your QuickBooks product is already ready to support you. That's if you use QuickBooks, more on that in a moment, keeping you compliant and making the process of filing your VAT return simple and efficient. So in summary, if you're filing your VAT return by jumping into your VAT account, then you're going to have to find another way. Here at Boffix, our recommendation, as always, we use our friends over at QuickBooks, as we've just read here, and the way to file VAT returns couldn't be simpler. Under each QuickBooks subscription of VAT Simple Start and above, there is a VAT module. From here, it's even going to be prompting you to turn on Making Tax Digital. So I get the option to press this button here to set up MTD and get myself all ready, waiting and compliant. I follow these simple instructions and before I know it, I'm presented with my VAT submission screen. And from here, I can prepare my VAT return and submit the VAT return as needed. And if there's anything wrong with that VAT return or any issues, QuickBooks is quite good at giving you opportunities to understand exactly what's not been right when it turns on your VAT. How does that submission look? Well, here's a little video on exactly how to submit a VAT return. So in summary, as a VAT registered business, you have a ticking time bomb of the 1st November. You need to be making sure that, as we see here, if you're filing your VAT return on the left-hand side with a screen looking like this, then you need to be ensuring that from the 1st November, your screen looks a little bit like this if you're using QuickBooks Online. Please ensure that you look at this sooner rather than later. The worst thing you can do is leave it all the way to the day you need to submit your VAT return and have issues straight away. So ask yourself the question, which way are you filing your VAT return? Is it on the left or is it on the right? If you're on the right, thumbs up, everything's okay. If you're on the left, you've got some work to do. Here at Boffix, though, we're going to make sure we support you every single step of the way. First of all, there's an online store below, which gives you some discounted licenses for you to make sure that you're submitting to HMRC in the most tax efficient and cost efficient way possible. Then we also have our other channel, Aaron Patrick, the QuickBooks Chap, which has loads and loads of content, making sure that you know exactly how to use QuickBooks Online. So my advice to you is to like and subscribe to this channel, because that way you can make sure your business is always compliant. And our motto here at Boffix is making sure that we don't just make small businesses survive, but thrive. And also, how up to date were you with the idea of when that deadline was going to be? Me personally, I don't think this date has been told enough places to enough people. The amount of small businesses I've been talking to is actually rather scary, and they are completely unaware of this change that's coming. So you need to be utilising everything that we've got and making sure that you can file your VAT return as quickly and as efficiently as possible. QuickBooks Online is our solution, and let's hope that that's the solution that's right for you. My name's been Aaron Patrick. As always, this video has been an absolute pleasure to do for you, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.